Hello students, welcome back to the class once again. Now students, after discussing about data handling and the different methods of representing the data, that is by pictograph, by a bar graph or by a pie chart, let us discuss some questions from your book exercise. As you can see, we are going to start exercise 15A. Now in this exercise, the first question where a graph is already given to you and it is actually depicting some information. It is giving us some information. So let us read what information it is giving us. The following bar graph shows the number of students present on weekdays of a particular week. So what this bar graph is actually showing? It is showing the number of students present on the weekdays of a particular week. That means in a class, how many students are present on that particular day? It is giving that information through this graph. Here on this graph, you can see that on x-axis, it is showing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It means these are the days. Whereas on the vertical side, that means y-axis, it is showing the number of students, which is with a gap of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. Now here with these colored bars, it is showing us some information. So very first, if I read this information, so on Monday, how many students are present basically? So since this bar is touching the value of 40, that means on Monday, 40 students were present. Tuesday, how many students? When you will join this bar on this side with the vertical line, it is giving us 35 students are present on Tuesday. How many on Wednesday? Wednesday it is 45. On Thursday it is 20. On Friday it is 40. Right students? So now we have got some information here. Let us read what they are asking us from the given bar graph. What was the strength of class on Monday? So the very first question is, what was the strength on Monday? So Monday, how many students were present? 40 students. So here you will write, it is 40 students. So the strength on Monday is 40 students. Clear students? Coming to the second part, on which day the number of students was maximum? So out of these 5 days, which day the number of students are maximum? Yes, it is 45, and it is of which day? It is Wednesday. So your correct answer is Wednesday. Clear students? Then how many students were present on Tuesday? So it is asking on Tuesday how many students were present? 35 students. So on Tuesday 35 students were present. Coming to the last part, on which day the number of students was only 20. So only 20 students were present on Thursday. So your correct answer is Thursday. So this is how you can read the bar graph or the information given in the form of table or bars, and you can answer the questions in the same manner. Clear students? Now students, after the first question, let us discuss one more question, and this is question number 3 from your book exercise. The question says, the following bar chart shows the quantities of milk given by the 4 cows of a milkman on a particular day. So what is this bar graph is actually showing us? It is giving us the information of the 4 cows and the milk given by them on a particular day. Okay. So what are those 4 cows? The name of the cows are Moti, Kamli, Lakshmi and Hira. So these are the 4 cows, and amount of milk given by these cows on a particular day is given to us. So if I read this information and let us find out how much milk they have given on particular day. So Moti, if I talk about the first cow, Moti, and if I am joining this with the vertical line, so what is the information? 10 liters because it is milk given in liter. So Moti has given 10 liter of milk on that day. Coming to the second one, it is Kamli. And how much milk it has given? When I will join this with the vertical bar, that means y-axis, 16 liter of milk was given by Kamli. Third cow, Lakshmi. And how much milk it has given? 12 liter. Clear, students? Coming to the last one, Hira. And how much it has given? 6 liter of milk. Clear? Now let's come to the question. The first question which is being asked here is, how much milk did the cow Moti give that day? So on that particular day, how much milk Moti gave? So how much is it? Moti has given 10 liter of milk. So your correct answer is 10 liters. Clear, students? Second one, which cow gave the largest quantity of milk that day? So out of these four, which has given the largest amount of milk? So yes, the maximum amount is 16 liter given by Kamli. So your answer is Kamli has given the maximum milk and that is of 16 liter. Coming to the third part, which cow gave the least quantity of milk that day? So which cow is it? The minimum amount of milk is 6 liter given by Hira. So the correct answer is Hira. You will write Hira and it has given only 6 liter of milk. Okay, students. So with this, you can go ahead with the other questions from your book exercise in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.